Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A metal bar AB can slide on two parallel thick metallic rails separated by a distance small l. A resistance capital R and inductance capital L are connected to the rails as shown in the figure. A long straight wire carrying a constant current I0 is placed in the plane of the rails as shown. The bar AB is held at rest at a distance x0 from the long wire. At t equal to 0, it made to slide on the rails away from the wire. Answer the following questions. Question A. Find the relation among I, di by dt and d phi by dt, where I is the current in the circuit and phi is the flux of the magnetic field due to the long wire through the circuit. Question B. It is observed that at time t equal to capital T, the metal bar AB is at a distance of 2x0 from the long wire and the resistance R carries current I1. Obtain an expression for the net charge that has flown through the resistance from R uh, from t equal to 0 to t equal to capital T. Question C. The bar is suddenly stopped at time t. The current through the resistance R is found to be I1 by 4 at time 2t. Find the value of L by R in terms of the other given quantities. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है, this is electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction. So current produced in an inductor due to a changing magnetic field is called as. So ये क्या होता है कि changing magnetic field produce which in turn will produce a current due to a changing magnetic field. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं हम उसको नोट करेंगे. So given इंडक्टेंस को L दिए है, रेजिस्टेंस को R से डिनोट किए हैं, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द रेल्स उसको L दिए हैं, द करंट थ्रू द वायर उसको I0 दिए हैं and distance between the bar and the wire so that distance उसको x0 दिए हैं. So पहले they want us to get the relation between phi L and they want us to get the relation between I d phi by dt and di by dt. So पहले क्वेश्चन के लिए relation between I di by dt and d phi by dt. So applying Kirchhoff's second law. Applying Kirchhoff's second law, हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि change in the magnetic flux minus I into R plus minus L di by dt is 0. So then we can write d phi by dt is equal to I into R plus L di by dt. तो ये इक्वेशन हमें रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डी फाई बाई डी टी आई और डी आई बाई डी टी का रिलेशनशिप देता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. So they want us to find an expression for the net charge when the metal bar is at a distance 2x naught from the long wire in the time t equal to 0 to t equal to t. Expression for net flow of charge at 2x naught in time t equal to 0 to t equal to capital T. तो ये जो पहला क्वेश्चन ए का आंसर है इसको हम इक्वेशन 1 लेबल करेंगे. सो इक्वेशन 1 can be written as d phi is equal to IR dt plus L di. So integrating तो डी फाई का इंटीग्रेशन हम डेल्टा फाई लिखेंगे विच इज द डिफरेंस इन द फ्लक्स, फाइनल फ्लक्स एंड द इनिशियल फ्लक्स, एंड दिस वी कैन राइट इट एज आर इंटू डेल्टा क्यू प्लस एल इंटू आई आई. यहाँ पे हम जरा इन टर्म्स को हम डिफाइन करेंगे. सो डेल्टा फाई इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फाइनल फ्लक्स एंड इनिशियल फ्लक्स. डिफरेंस इन फाइनल फ्लक्स एंड initial flux. So phi f is the final flux, phi I is the initial flux. यहाँ पे delta q is integral I dt which is net flow of charge, and I is जिसका वैल्यू है इंटीग्रल ऑफ डी आई. इंटीग्रल डी आई, दिस इज द करंट थ्रू द इंडक्टर. So we know that delta phi is integral d phi which is phi f minus phi I. So phi f minus phi I can be written as integral. So we want to know what is the net charge when the distance is 2x naught. तो यहाँ पे हम जाएंगे x equal to 2x naught to x is equal to x naught mu naught L I by 2 pi x dx. तो अगर हम इसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे so we will get delta phi as equal to mu naught I, it's given as I naught, so we will use the same notation, I naught L divided by 2 pi into ln of 2. So therefore we can say इस इक्वेशन को डेल्टा फाई सब्स्टिट्यूट करके, so we can write r delta q is equal to delta phi minus L into I current through the inductor. तो ये हुआ 1 by r. So the expression for the net flow of the charge from at a distance 2x naught when the time is from t equal to 0 to t equal to capital T is mu naught I naught L by 2 pi into ln 2 minus L I. So the next question which they have asked, so ये question है कि what is the value of L by R in terms of the other quantities when the current through the resistance is I1 by 4 at time 2t. So question C is L by R in terms of other quantities when current is I1 by 4 through R at time 2t. So we know that decay rate or decay of current in an LR circuit, तो उसको इस इक्वेशन से डिनोट करते हैं. I is equal to I naught e to the power minus t R by L. तो यहाँ पे I is equal to I1 by 4. तो I naught है इनिशियल करंट I1 and t is 2t minus t which is t. So substitute करेंगे इस इक्वेशन में. So therefore we have I1 by 4 is equal to I1 e to the power minus t R by L. तो I1 दोनों साइड कैंसिल होता है and taking natural log on both sides we have minus t into R by L is equal to ln 1 by 4, या फिर हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि L by R is equal to T by ln 4. So this is the expression for L by R in terms of the other quantities at time 2t. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.